Hello guys, and welcome to our channel once more. Today we will be exploring how to get free internet on HTNL Plus without SNI. And so if you are looking forward to getting free internet connection on HTNL without SNI, then you are in the right place, and you can just wait a little bit after the short intro. And so to get free internet without SNI on HTNL Plus, we'll be showing you two different methods. The first method is a very easy one. You just need to download your HTNL application, and once you download your HTNL Plus application, you can just go to the automatic settings. Then the automatic settings, they already have uploaded they already have uploaded config files for several countries there that you can use, and then when you use them, you can use them to get free internet connection. And so this is it. You can just take, as you can see, this is how the application appears when you download it. But always make sure that your application is up to date. To quickly check if your application is up to date, you can just go to Play Store and you search for HTNL Plus. For the sake of this video, we updated the application before we had to test to see if they configure and if everything is working very well. So we already tested, and the application is up to date. So you need to update the application, and once you have updated the application, you go back to your application. Then you make sure your custom setup is switched off, and the selected server, it usually comes on the random server, but we prefer the United States because the United States is as a faster server. So this is how it is. And when your application is like this, you can just enter and you search for your country. There are several countries on this platform. You can just search for any country that you want, and once you search your country, all these countries are working. You need to be rest assured that all these countries are working, because the application, the people who created the application, they already made sure that they tested all these configs and these files before uploading them there. They already made sure they uploaded all this and checked all these config files for uploading them. And so this is the first way that you can get free internet on HTNL without SNI. And the second way that we'll be showing you will be by uploading or importing your own generated config file. You can get HTNL Plus files, hard files, and then you upload them to the application. Luckily, we have a platform where we have already generated all these HTNL Plus hard files. You can just quickly search. So luckily we already have this platform where you can easily search, and then you will get your free HTNL Plus hard files. Just come here, then you search for HTNL, or you can just search hard files. So this is the platform where you can get your hard files for any country where you are found. When you enter, you can just quickly go down, scroll down, and then you see a long list. You can just download the one for your country, and once you download the one for your country, you can just upload it to the platform. For the sake of this video, we already had a file, and so all what you have to do is just to come to this platform, and then you come to import or export. Then you import a config file. When you import the config file, it will allow you to enter inside your phone memory. Then you search for your config file and you upload it to your application. Once you have uploaded to your application, this since it's a hard file that has already been worked upon, then you upload the application and then you connect. And so once you have uploaded a config file to your application, all you have to do is to click on start. And once you click on start from here, it will be easy for you to just easily connect. Just easily connect to your application, and then you'll be able to move on from there. Okay, this is the end of this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos that will upload in the future.